I'm Sophia from Columbia Secondary School, and I'm going to present to you Selenia, the Celestial City, along with my group members Sai and Emma. What this presentation will include. This is a list of what these following slides will include. Our model diagram, several photos with different views of our models, advancing stages of our model, photos of the completed model, description and photo of the moving part. What is Selenia? Selenia is a modernized city built on the moon, inhabiting a diverse community of people. Because Selenia is built on the moon, Earth's most common resources of food, air, and water, etc., are very different. But as a team, our group has worked and thought carefully about each and every topic, and we've decided on simple but creative solutions. This is our city diagram, and it's color-coded for, an easier view. The yellow part is the rocket and landing. Thick blue is the titanium glass, the titanium-like glass. Green is the agricultural fields. Red is the transportation system, which goes through lava tubes. Thin blue is the buildings. It's a darker kind of blue, so you can probably sort that out easily. And black is the craters. Warning, this is not exactly to scale, but it's closer to scale than our other diagram. This is Emma's model in advancing stages. So here in the first picture, you can see she's starting with the buildings, and with the second one, she's starting with the lava tubes on the side. And these are a few of her final results. As you can see, there's several different angles showing different parts of the model.
So this is my model. As you can see, there aren't that much buildings, but the buildings will hold a lot of people, around 1,000. And I used cardboard and styrofoam and water bottle to make the buildings. And as you could see around, I made lava tubes for transportation. And inside the lava tubes, there will be pods.
Thanks, Emma. Okay, and now just taking a quick glance before going to Sai's model. This is Sai's model when he first started out. He first started by advancing the crater's size, so it's a little more accurate to what a crater looks like. And then this is Sai's final product. He added tape on the bottom and tape on the sides. It kind of has a color-coded idea to portray different aspects of an agricultural crater. He can explain more of that to you. And this is different zoomed in angles of Sai's model. As you can see here, this is a lava tube, and over here is a few of the fields. Sai, do you want to share a little bit about your model?
So in my model, I have plants and trees growing, as you can see here, and they'll either be getting sunlight from the sun, but when the sun isn't around for the trees to gather light and also plants, they'll be using growth lights that are along the sides of the crater in yellow, and those will make it so that trees and plants can be continuously growing and producing. And all of these productions will be sent straight through a lava tube, which is right over here, coming out of the back of this crater. And that will all get sent right into the city, which Emma built. And then all of the people will be able to get that stuff.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you, Sai, for sharing once again. Just one last look at his pictures before we go on to the moving part here. Sai built the moving part, which is a fusion reactor. Fusion reactors produce higher quantities of energy for maximum power distributed across the craters. The fusion reactor will spin to generate energy. In the part, Sai used a motor and cardboard to make a fan, like one in a fusion reactor.
Hi, I'm Sai Bowler from Future City Group Selenia, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the moving part for our model. It's a fusion reactor which will generate power for our city. The materials I used are a battery, a motor, wires, cardboard, and tape. The way it works is when I take the red wire and I connect it to the positive side of this battery, it'll turn on a fan inside of the reactor.